they do not grow, they do not move, they do not need food. Lastly, they cannot reproduce as well. Examples are shown here. Ball, pencil, doll, toy car, table. Thank you. Living things are things that are alive, like people, animals, and plants. Non-living things are things that are not alive, like a car toy, ball, pencil, doll, or table. Now I give time to Taylor. These are models of living things. They breathe, like animals and humans. They grow, like plants grow from seeds. They move. Animals can walk. Plants move slowly, like turning into sunlight. They reproduce. Animals reproduce. Plants make seeds. Examples are shown here. Cow, dog, cat, human, sheep, horse, tiger.
Thank you. Good.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our exhibition on germination, the birth of a plant. Germination is a process by which a seed grows into a new plant. Seed contains a baby plant inside them. When seeds get proper amount of air, water and sunlight, baby plants grow from them. Now I give time to Menu. In this model, we have shown the 4 main steps. 1. The seed is active and dry. The radicle emerges. As the seed absorbs water, the root breaks through the seed pod. 3. Shoot goes toward the stem and leaf starts to go towards the sun. 4. Seedling stage. The plants begin photosynthesis and goes into metamorphosis. Now I give time to learn. To conclude, we see that seed germination is a remarkable testament to the power of nature and the potential within every tiny net. It's a simple yet fascinating process that gives rise to all the new life around us. Thank you. We hope you enjoy learning about germination.
Thank you. Fist bump. Boom. 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 Good. Thank you. Good morning, Pfutsero.
Good morning, sir.
Can you tell me something about your model?
Yes, sure. So, sir, today the topic of our model is hydroelectricity. So, hydroelectricity is simply depending on the pressure of the water. So here, first, we have used a water motor, or also the water pumper. We have connected it to a 12-volt battery present here. So when we switch it on, the water will pump, which is a bottle. So when the water, when the water is pumped into the bottle, it will store the water. And even though the water flows down from here, it will form a continuous cycle, so that the water here present here will not get drawn out. So when the water flows down from this here, the turbine will spin. And when the turbine spins, this motor present here is called a dynamo. It will produce energy and store the energy here, so that we can produce electricity. And when it is fully charged, we can switch on the lights, and through these light wires we can produce electricity.
Okay, thank you, Pfutsero.
You're welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone. What is your model about?
Our model is about, based on the topic, smart, assistive, and automated system for daily life.
Okay.
This is the line stick. You see, when it goes near obstacles, it buzz using this buzzer. The items used are buzzer, jumper wires, battery, and 3 infrared sensors. Similar with that, we got this one is the blind stick, and the materials are same with the blind stick. And this blind glasses is for detecting the object from the top.
Okay.
And
here's the automatic door opener. As you see, we use an Arduino, 1 infrared sensor, 1 servo, and some jumper wires. It works using codes from the Arduino. Here's the smart automatic watering system.
when the soil is dry, it automatically waters the plant. But as you see, it's flooded for now. So yeah, it will work. It works. It works by filtering the water, and afterwards it's just recycled again for use. The items used are soil moisture sensor, L298, and motor driver, battery, buzzer, a switch, and a water pump. That's all.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Sula.
Good morning, sir.
What is your model about?
Our model is based on 3D hologram.
Okay, can you tell me about something about the hologram?
A hologram works on the basis of light waves. So, like, as I place the holographic video inside this one, then the bars will get reflected and they will get the object.
I see that. So that's it?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.
Can you tell me something about your beautiful model?
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a molecule that carries genetic instruction for all living organisms. It is essentially a blueprint that tells our body how to develop and function it. DNA are mostly found inside the nucleus of the cell. Some are found in mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. DNA carries the instruction to make proteins, which are essential for building our body, carrying out chemical reaction, helping cells communicate and fighting disease. This information are stored in section of DNA called genes. Each gene gives the interaction for one protein. It determines traits like the eye color, blood type, and height. It carries genetic information from parents to children.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Boom. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Can you tell me something about your model?
Yes, sir. Today we prepared an operation cylinder. This space is the operation cylinder. This is the Pakistan, and this is the India. We made this because it's under the current affairs of that is recently going on the war. So with this base, we made the radar system. It's connected to here. So this is the sensor. So with this sensor, if there's any in case of any incoming objects, it can detect. So we can see the red there. So it can detect any objects, everything. So this is only a small base. This sensor can be detected only up to 20 centimeter, and then for real life sensors, it can be detected up to 100 kilometers away.
Okay. Good morning, Vibula.
One, sir.
So what is it you're doing here?
This is traffic light reaction.
Okay. Beautiful.
That changes the color when they get oxidized with the oxygen.
Okay.
Yes.
Very scientific.
No, we cannot make it because it takes a lot of time.
Takes like longer.
This is we use potassium dichromate, and for this one we use copper sulfate pentahydrate, and this one iron sulfate and ammonia. The reason why we got different crystals, even though we use the same metal, here we got the pure metal, here we got the impure metal. Why? Because while boiling it, some of the water molecules are stored inside, so that's the reason why we get the impure metal.
Good morning, Ari. Good morning, sir. Can you show me what your model does? Okay. So it's a braking system that stops the car. Beautiful. Oh, okay. It uses liquid. Okay, thank you. Can you show me what it does? Good morning. Can you explain to me your model?
This is a smart dustbin that opens it automatically through motion detection. When your hand or body come close, the ultrasonic sensor sends information to the Arduino, which later sends signal to the servo motor and tell the motor when to open or close the dustbin lid. Here's a brief overview of the working principle of their project. 1. Ultrasonic sensor. It detects motion and sends the information to the Arduino. Also known as the brain of the system, the Arduino tells the servo motor when to open and close the lid. 3. Servo motor. It opens and closes the dustbin lid as it receives signal from the Arduino. 4. Jumper wires. These connect all the electronic components together. 5. Battery or power bank. All the electronic components need battery or power supply to function. So for this reason, we have used a power bank. In this project, we have successfully created an automatic dustbin. This smart dustbin is cost-effective, user-friendly, and eco-conscious, showing how science and technology can be used for our daily life. Our smart dustbin is not just a motor, yet it is a small step toward building a cleaner and healthier environment using technology. This project taught us more than electronics. It taught us how science can solve everyday problems and how innovation doesn't have to be complex. Innovation begins when we notice a little problem and dare to solve them. We hope this smart dustbin inspire every one of us to think creatively and use technology for a better world. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Are you enjoying the exhibition?
Yes.
Which one's your favorite model?
Loyola model.
Where is it? It's here. Good morning, Malipra. Your model is very nice. Looks very good. What is it about?
Specimen collection.
Specimen collection. Okay. Can you tell me something about it?
Yes. Shall we start it?
Okay, that's great.
You can ask anything you want.
Okay, let's see. Take a look at these creatures. I'd like to know about this one first.
This is the strongest and largest among the insects.
Okay.
We have different types of beetle.
Okay.
This came from underground like for the singing monkeys.
So are all these creatures taken from here itself, Pfutsero?
Yes.
Okay, that's really nice. And what about these?
These are for display.
Oh, for display, okay. Is this a cockroach?
Yes.
Such a huge one. What about this?
This is a trigon. The name is.
Oh, the dragon is there. Oh, it looks... So thank you. Bye. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Your model looks very interesting. Tell me about your model.
It is a hydraulic part robotic arm. Hydraulic part robotic arm is a type of robotic manipulator that uses fluid to move and control its joints. This type of robotic arm mimics the way human muscles work and without using electric motors or pneumatic systems.
In a hydraulic system, it works according to classical flow, which they said pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted in equal directions.
Applications of this hydraulic powered robotic arm are industrial automation like metal stamping or heavy lifting, construction in hydraulic excavators, underwater robotics like ROVs, medical robotics and surgical devices in some cases, and education aids. In conclusion, hydraulic system can be helpful in many of our day-to-day lives to professional use.
The materials used are syringes as hydraulic pistons,
Tubes filled with water as a confined fluid.
PEEK or carbonate structure, manual control pushing or pulling syringes.
Alright. So can you show me how the model works? Oh, this one's beautiful. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's nice. You can even drop this. Okay, that's beautiful. So, thank you. Bye. No, this is not your model, but you know how to explain it.
Sir, actually, this is the sensor. This will sense if the land is too dry, it will send something signals there, and then water will be there.
Oh.
What is this?
This is really smart irrigation system.
Yeah.
Really nice.
No, they make people easy, man.
Oh, lazy system. I think that's great. Scientist. Where's the owner? Oh, they're there. Okay, thank you. Good morning, friends. Who drew this model? You drew it?
Yes.
This is really nice. So tell me about your model.
Plant.
Parts of plant. Okay, can you explain to me? Okay.
Plants are mainly divided into two parts: root, which grow below the ground, and shoot, which grow above the ground. Shoot consists of stems, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let us explore them one by one. 1. Root. The root is found below the soil. It picks the plant firmly in the soil. It absorbs water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. 2. Stem. The stem supports the plant. It carries water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. 3. Leaf. Leaves are the food factories of the plant. They make food through the process called photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and air. Leaves also give off oxygen which we breathe. Now I give time to you. 4. Flowers. Flowers produce fruits and help in reproducing a new plant. They attract insects and birds for pollination. They make the plants look beautiful. 4. Flowers. Flowers produce fruits and help in reproducing a new plant. They attract insects and birds for pollination. They make the plants look beautiful. 5. Fruits and seeds. Fruits grow from flowers. Inside fruits, we find seeds. Fruits of most plants are eatable and eaten by us. Plants are not just pretty to look at, but they are essential for our life. Thank you for visiting.
Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone. It was a very pleasant experience coming to Nazareth School, Pfutsero, and I thank the principal for inviting me. It was a great learning experience for me, interacting with all the models. I especially congratulate the students and the teachers for working on the models. It will be a great learning experience, not only for the students, but also the teachers who are involved in teaching them. This is how we learn science, not from the books alone, but by doing science. So thank you one and all.
Today's exhibition is remarkable and significant in the institutions as well as especially in the students' life. They have been very creative and hardworking, and the presentation skills of students, of younger ones, are worthy praising. At the same time, sure, all these students can be a model as they grow up to their seniors too. And I congratulate the school management, the principal and the teachers who have put their efforts in training all these students. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sister. So how do you feel like after the success of the science exhibition?
Whether I should say this exhibition, yeah, of course it is successfully held, and then most all the children, they were enjoyed and they participated so happily, and the judges, they roam around and ask a lot of questions. They were presenting so well according to my point of view, and then mostly this exhibition is meant to cultivate some scientific temperament into the children. That's how we just try our level best, myself and our teachers, means the staff of Nazareth Higher Secondary School. We try our level best to bring out the enthusiasm of science in children.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Congratulations once again, sir. So with that, we've come to the end of the science exhibition. It was a very good experience, and especially because father and sister came all the way from Jakhama. So the competition went by really well and everything was great. I really enjoyed it as both the videographer and even the videographer and as a judge. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you support our young ones. Bye bye.